from the Azul Sensatori in Negril, Jamaica. We are here at this wonderful resort. Today's a beach day, so I thought I would let you take a look at the beach down here. This is really a beautiful, very fine sandy beach, as you can see down below. A little bit of seaweed, but not all that bad. They have it cleaned up and then they rake it down early in the morning. The water here, the Caribbean Sea, it's really clear. And one thing you see, a lot of boats. So fishing, charters, cruises, all sorts of fun. I think you'd really like it here. I'm loving it here.